Hello guys, welcome back to CADmake with a new video of V-block assembly. First we'll bring base of the V-block. Then we'll bring fastener, and finally we will bring you clamp to make an assembly. I hope you'll enjoy. If you're ready, let's get started. Go to the File menu. Click New. Click on Assembly and click OK. Cancel this file and close Assembly menu. Go to the background scene and click on plain white. Click on Visual Styles and active the cartoon mode. Now click on Insert Components. Select Base. Click Open. Drag it. Click here to release it in the center. Make it normal. Press Ctrl+7. Rotate. Again click on Insert Components, select U-clamp. Click Open. Place it here. Now click on Mate command. Select this surface. Rotate a little like this and select Clamp Bottom Surface. Click OK. Rotate. Click Advance. Click on Width. Select this face. Rotate like this and then select this face. Now select this face. Rotate. Then select this face. Click OK. Rotate to make it normal. Drag the clamp like this. Zoom it. Set the corners equal like this. Zoom out. Make it normal. Click OK. Again click on Insert Components. Select Fastener. Click Open. Place it here. Click on Mate command. Zoom in. Select the thread outer face. Zoom out. Again zoom in and select the thread inner face. Zoom out. Click OK. Zoom out. Drag the U-clamp like this and set the fastener. Now hold Control button, click on Fastener, drag it and place its copy here. Similarly, make a copy of the U-clamp. Drag and place it here. Now click on Mate command. Select this face. Rotate. Select the bottom face of the U-clamp. Click OK. Zoom it. Click Advance. Click on Width. Select this face. Rotate like this. Now select this face. Also select this face. Rotate and select this face. Click OK. Drag the U-clamp to the center. Click Advance. Zoom the U-clamp like this. Select the thread interface. Zoom out. Now zoom the fastener. Select the thread outer face. Zoom out. Click OK. Set the fastener like this. Click OK. Make it normal. Set the V-block like this. It's enough for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share and comments. Thanks for watching.